Hi guys, welcome to The Impulsive Beauty. We're gonna do a get ready with me with Marshall's makeup. One of the foundations I bought was this one right here called Pure Bare It All. When I bought it, I did not think to look at this and see that it has been opened. I didn't think of it. I don't know. It was my first time buying there. I was just excited because I'm so used to paying $30, $40 for a foundation. So when I saw this, I was like, $3? Oh my God, yes, let's do it. Yeah. So let's go ahead and start with this $3 foundation. I am going to use half of it on this flat kabuki brush from Sigma. It's the F80. And I'm going to use the other half on this wet sponge right here. But let's go ahead with this foundation. Bare it all. I'm like, I can't bear anything because it's so thick. I'm like afraid to put it on. Oh my God, but it doesn't look bad. I don't know what I was complaining about before. Maybe it's a good maybe it's a good $3 foundation. I was gonna put as a bad $3 buy. I mean, okay, now I cannot be the only one. Has anyone come across this foundation? Have you bought it? Do you have it? Did you like it? What do you think about it? Because now I'm thinking, it's not a bad foundation. I'm amazed now. Let's move on to my favorite thing ever, which is always eyeshadow. Today we are going to use the BH Cosmetics Sylvia Gani palette. This one was $8. I do see this wolf color in here, so I'm gonna use that to set my eyes because it's like literally like my color. It's like the color of my eye. Okay, now that we set our eye with that wolf color right there, we are going to, let's see, we're gonna do something. I'm not gonna try to scare you guys because if you guys see my first video, I look a bit crazy. So we're gonna go with something a little bit laid back because this product is a little bit more classy. This color over here is kind of really nice. This Obsessed color right here is so cute. With the BH Cosmetic palettes, there is fallout, but the price is so good. I am using a Sigma E40, and the whole thing about eyeshadows, obviously, is just to blend. There we go. I did like that color. Obsessed is a really good name for it. Okay, so let's go ahead and I usually do like to use different brushes for all eye colors because I made the mistake like once of not doing that, and I completely forgot to use this thing right here, which I really like. Is the brush, this color swap thing. I just bought this one at Marshall's for like $5. I forgot to, to use it, and my pink color turned orange because I did an orange look the day prior. So I always just switch my brushes now. But if you cannot do that, just buy that. That's awesome. I just cannot believe I lived my life without that before. It's insane. Just insane. Okay, so after Obsessed, we are gonna go. I haven't done a brown look in a while, so I don't know. It's kind of scary. I mean, it's more, it's kind of chocolate. It's kind of like a chocolate look. It's called this Bear right here. Bear. Let's go there. And I'm going to use this E27 brush right here from Sigma. It's this really like fluffy brush. It looks like the E25, but it's a bit more, it's flatter and smaller. I have smaller lids, so I kind of like to use these smaller brushes. Usually when I'm doing my makeup, I usually go a little like sweepy motions like this in the first two colors. But when I'm doing the sweepy motions, it's a little bit weird because and then I turn the brush over too. I kind of deposit in like tapping motions like this, kind of like in three, like 1, 2, 3, and then I start blending. That way I don't go with like one big, glob of eyeshadow onto it. And that way all the color deposit is just not in that one place. And then I also usually have another brush, and what I do is I just go like this to blend it out. So let's go again with Bear. So again, I usually just do the 1, 2, 3 kind of motion and then sweep back and forth. And if you have bigger eyelids or smaller eyelids, obviously I'm going this far out, and you can go as far out as you like, as high up as you would like. It is up to you what you would like to do with your color, with your eyelid. These brushes do the blending for you, so it's kind of cool, you know? But again, I'll go with this E38. It doesn't have anything on it, and I'll just try to blend in the two colors together. There we go. It is a pretty color. Now, if you do have small lids like mine, you might want to brighten your lid quite a bit, because if you bring dark shades on your whole lid, it might close your lid space even more. So you might want to, I mean, I do it all the time too, but if you're noticing sometimes when you're doing your makeup and then you're like, why does my lid seem droopier, or why does my eye look weird with this makeup on, you want to have lighter colors on your lids. It's out. Yeah, there we go. And darker colors above. I know it sounds weird like that, but it works. See, like right now, it seems like I do have a lot of space on my lids, but I don't. I guess I have like maybe a little bit of a hooded eye. I guess I do. I don't know. But anyway, so we are going to do a lighter color. This is a dumb utility brush from Sigma right here, and it's called E34. It's one of my newer brushes. It's on sale right now, but I really like it. I don't know why. It just has this like literally dumb thing, and it deposits like color in here so perfectly, and I really like it. So the camera shut off. I was talking here like to myself apparently. I mean, I already feel like I'm talking to myself, and I look down and I'm like, the camera's off. Fuck. So as you can see, I have, you know, some shimmer on my eyelid. So kind of let me recap what I did. I went with this little cute color right here called Prince. I wet my brush. I just used a flat, dense. This is the Sigma E54. I went from the beginning of the eyelid all the way to the end. Reason why I did that was because I have a smaller eyelid. So because I have a smaller eyelid, my eyelid space is just, since it's not there, I wanted to open and brighten my eyes. I use, you know, from the beginning all the way to the end. This is the first time I actually try this, and I can totally see that it did brighten my eyes. It does seem like I have more eyelid space that I actually do, which is actually really nice. I'm trying to do more of what's gonna look nice on my eye shape, which is what everyone should do. If you want your eyes to look smaller, then you should do that. If you want your eyes to look bigger, then you should do that. That's why instead of just going halfway here with my bright color and then darken over here, I actually went the whole way. And then I did grab a smaller brush. This is a just Eco Tools brush, and it's the shade brush from them. Ooh. And then I always use this brush for my inner corner, and I did not wet the brush. All I did was grab this Libra shade right here, and I put it on my inner corner right here, and I kind of went up a little bit into my shade that's already there, and that color just like, I mean, you can see it from a mile away. These shimmers are amazing. And you know, the same onto the other eye. I just, you know, went into the inner corner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab this angle brush. This is the small angle brush E65 from Sigma. I'm gonna go ahead and use, what shade should we use? Let's go ahead. I'm gonna go with black. This Unapologetic right here. Let's go ahead and put that right in our lower lash. You can tell when it's getting night, when I'm filming at night, because my voice gets like really raspy because I've been talking all day. I'm a chatterbox, and I really love this brush for this. I know people usually use like a smudging brushes, but I really love this just because it's so precise, and all I do is literally just like head on, just boop, boop, and then right onto my lower lash line. I don't really do when I do onto my lash line, I like more of a slimmer lower lash line look. So I guess that's why I don't use the smudging brushes. Also, I'm afraid to like, you know, poke myself with a brush. I don't know. I'm paranoid sometimes with that. And then I'll just bring it up. Oh no. Also, I did want to give you guys an update because I was talking about how much I did not care for this foundation. I literally smeared this orange shade. I mean, that's why I'm a little bit distracted, and I'm sorry. This one right here, you guys see the gash there? It's like all over my leg, and I cannot, oh, I found it. There you go. I'm like, I cannot find the source of it, and now I see it like somewhere on my face. I'm like, what's going on? Where did that come from? But anyway, what I was gonna say was that the foundation is separating right now. So I guess that's why I didn't care for it. It's literally separating. So great. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but that's why I did not like it in the beginning. I was just wondering like how long, and this took me a while because the camera shut off and I did not notice. So I got really sad for a second and I was like, oh my God. So it took me a minute. I took a break, and then that's when I came back and I'm like, I see the foundation separating. I see it. That's why I hate it. And I always call this the chicken wing because it's so tiny and it cannot fly, but it's there. It's just there. All right, let's use the opal right here. The opal we're gonna use for our highlighter. I said that I was going to use on my previous video. I wanted to use this, but it's so much crap, man. It really sucks. Okay, let me swatch it. Let me swatch it. If you can look at it on my finger, doesn't it look like chalk? It looks white. It doesn't look like it's shimmer. It just looks white. I could see, and then it's like gone. It's just like a lot of texture. You would have to put a lot of texture on your face to get some shimmer. Who wants a lot of texture on their face, you know? So I'm just not gonna use that at all. Okay, papaya pop. Let's go ahead and do this because this has some shimmer. And I'm gonna use this Japanesque. Usually just go like this and like this all the way around and then on my separating crappy foundation. I just love that color. I know it's maybe too extreme, but I just really like it. I just don't know. I really like it. Maybe I'm putting too much. It's nighttime and I'm just like taking this time like, I'm about to go to bed. I'm about to take off my foundation and everything else. So why not just put a bunch of makeup on my face? And I freaking put makeup over here because of my nail. I did not notice that. Like, there we go. I am such a klutz sometimes. There we go. This is a better mirror. Oh my God, I can see my whole face. See, when you're using this Too Faced one, you gotta make sure that you dip correctly. Because sometimes you can get more orange or more pink or more, you know, one color over the other one. Oh, it smells so good. So, so good. All right, highlighter, right? I mean, I already got a little bit of sheen, but I haven't tried this and I really want to. So let's go ahead. I have had this Real Techniques setting brush for like 10 years. I had just bought this fan brush and apparently this is a good brush for highlighting. So let's do one on one cheek and let's do the other one on another cheek, okay? I mean, you can definitely see this one. It's just a little bit harder to blend with the fan brush. That's why this one is nice. So there's that one, and there's this one. That one, and that one. This is a good highlighter. There is fallout on the pan, but it's a good highlighter. You're supposed to like draw with this. Like, who would be able to draw with this? I do have an eyebrow hair that just loves to just, I know you guys can see it, is this one. It will always be there, just bugging me. So maybe this, oh, no. I got it on me, great. Maybe this will be a good way to make it, you know, stand down. I don't know, is this supposed to do that? I don't have a problem with my eyebrows, so I haven't really, you know, gone into the whole eyebrow thing. But no, my eyebrow, that eyebrow, it still wants to do whatever the heck it wants to do. But we are testing out these products from Marshall's, so that's what we're doing. I have lips right here, and this is the NARS Roseland right here. Now, when you go, if you go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx, make sure, see how there is no smudges on here. No one has ever popped it open. That's how whenever I go there, I open it this much and I take a look around. Because man, people love, I see people just pop them open and then just swatch them on there, and I see people put them on their lips. Like, why would you put that on your lips, man? Why? So let's go ahead and see how this color goes. It feels so good. It feels very creamy. I have dry lips right now because unfortunately I didn't moisturize them today. There we go, almost done. What do you guys think about the look? Oh, I know, I was gonna do mascara. I did not get mascara at Marshall's. I did not get mascara there because, I don't know, I just did not. I'm very weird about mascara. I like a certain mascaras. This is not my favorite mascara, guys. I love Buxom mascaras. But I just ran out of it this week. That's why I have this simple one. And this one just like smudged like crazy down here. I don't know why. I guess I'm just gonna live with that my whole life. Should I just do this? I feel like I will ruin it. Alright guys, this is the final look. It's simple. I used 3 shades, very simple. I love 3-shade look. So I hope you join me on my next videos. I'll be releasing every week. If you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you hopefully on my next video. Bye. And oh my god, it's got a mirror. How does BH Cosmetics can do that and Morphe can't? Like